Hey, so what's going on? So we're checking out some units at this new possible acquisition. 60 units. About half of them are town. I like this vinyl, the vinyl layout as opposed to the carpet, personally.
I'm the only one. She got a little sleeves too. I'm like,
yeah, it rained, mosquitoes out.
I'm still new.
Cover my skin.
Some of them have carpet, some vinyl. This one has mostly vinyl.
Typically, you can keep between tenants.
Yeah, the car got changed it out.
You don't hear the blow. See how quiet it is too? Can't hear the blow.
Yeah. Look at that. Missing a garage door. It's 10B. Plus the garage is here.
Are they assigned?
Yeah, at one point it was like letters, you know, the apartment numbers on here. Yeah, like two parking spaces per unit, which is always been, you know.
At the playground.
So this stuff,
We'll spruce that up a little bit. Maybe just put a new unit. I don't know if you can just clean that up. Definitely get some mulch or something.
you see that tree there.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
That's new.
Okay. It was like a storm. Oh, a storm or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
They fell.
Trash area.
And blocked the street. I had to get the fire department out here
Okay.
to cut it because you know it's only one way. That's the only thing. One way in, one way out.
You want somebody moving out?
Tree fell. It's not too bad. This one's relatively clean.
2, 1.5. Yep.
Right. Right. And you actually get in a lot of space.
This is what I'm saying. They're not tiny.
It's the square footage definitely makes sense. You know.
Yeah, I think the average was about 1,100.
1100?
Yeah.
Also going to increase the cost of the rental.
Yes, yes,
Huh?
yes, for sure. Shit up that way.
See some RVs playing cards out here or something at night. Mm-hmm. They're like 3 hand spades. 500.
16B.
More than 16. I started, that's what made me start doing a promise to pay. Because if you report, you're going to mediation anyway and find out what they got to pay.
Carpet gotta get rid of the carpet. That
So
step is.
I came over with a promise to pay. Like if I see that they're falling behind, you need to come to the office and figure out a way to get you back, you know, at a zero balance. You know? So in most cases that will work. That way I don't have to do the courts because we need whatever we can get as opposed to filing and not getting anything.
Do y'all have like one app or anything? Like any kind of system to insure the rents essentially?
No, we've never used the surety bond. You talking about the surety?
I mean, they
Bond
got different
or-
things, but like if the tenant doesn't pay,
No, they don't use that. Never had that in place since I've been here. But most cases they and they want to figure out a way. To, you know, they figure out a way.
That's basically a payment plan.
Yeah, payment plan.
So you can't pay your full 1200s. What can you
Most
pay?
people,
And then that's what you do.
so realistically, this demographically, you know, this is retail. We're
Maintenance.
oh yeah.
Right? No, see, I got them when I was in camp. When I was a kid, I still with my, but I looked it up and it's. Hey, remember this is the vehicle that we saw.
Yep.
This is huge. I didn't know when you get up on them, I didn't realize it was this big.
Yeah. That's full size SUV.
What's up? Hey, kitty.
Excuse me.
Good morning. Can you walk your unit real quick? This is like the classic.
Looking for your cats?
Good morning.
It's one outside.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's one out. It was one outside right there. Good morning.
So you see how her cabinet has been updated.
Got you. Okay.
This is a classic.
How you doing, brother?
Renovation.
I'm doing pretty good. Any major issues here, like AC, electrical, everything good? Older AC unit. It's running, but yeah, updated.
Like everything pretty much.
Gotcha. So this was
Like we kept her tub resurfaced, things like
gotcha.
that. But
Okay.
it's definitely a classic.